the thing about plumbing is, you know what I'm saying, your pay increase with your knowledge. Most jobs, you know what I'm saying, you could work there for a year, 2 years, you feel me? You'll be struggling to get $1 or $2 raise with plumbing. Brodesky, we getting raises every 2, 3 months. Every three, you know what I'm saying? The more you learn, like say, I didn't know how to install garbage disposals. Boom, that's more money.
Uh-huh.
I learned how to install a sink. That's more money. You just keep getting increased because the more money that you can make the company, the more money they're gonna give you. You know what I'm saying? So it's all up to you about applying yourself to learn plumbing to get to that bag. You don't. It don't just have to be plumbing. They got commercial HVAC companies. They got commercial electrician companies. You know what I'm saying? But plumbers, Brodesky, we make the most money, man. You know what I'm saying? But that's just what I would do personally.
So